There's so much to talk about this. Most customers that are redoing their siding now are insulating their walls. So today, let's talk about Quik-Therm. This particular product has lots of uses, and today I just want to focus on the exterior insulation for above wall applications. So the first thing you'll see when you pick this up, it's a little heavier than your standard EPS product. It's a type 2 insulation. It's 20 pound PSI. So it's a little more denser, a lot more rigid. And when you're working with it on site, it's going to be just that much more stable. It's made out of EPS insulation. So that's that polystyrene insulation. It retains its R value for years and years because it just naturally wicks moisture away. You'll notice when you first see it, it's got the silver facing on both sides. And there's some micro perforations in here. And they're on both sides and they're there for a reason. And what these do is they just naturally expel water to the outside of the wall. And this sheet also has a little bit of engineering to it. You may not be able to see it online, but there's some channels that run from top to bottom on this particular sheet. And these are free air channels when your siding gets put onto there. So any moisture that does, make its way out, or any vapor makes its way out, these channel wick it away to the bottom and removes that from behind your siding. One of the best features of this product is you can take a look at it. There's a piece of plywood in here. Every 16 inches on center. They're embedded into this styrofoam, so they actually stay in place. Makes it great for installing this onto the wall. You're just going to take this product, fasten it to your wall, attach through that nailing strip into your stud. And as you're piecing your Quik-Therm insulation together, it's a tongue and groove on all four edges. You just have a little can of spray foam. You're going to shoot it down the edge, put that other sheet up on top of there. There's a second benefit of this strip that's on here. And if you can imagine this 2-inch piece of insulation on your outside wall, you can now take your siding and you can apply it right to that outside face. And you've got a solid piece of lumber for your siding to put on. Customers that aren't using Quik-Therm would be putting on some 2-inch foam, then applying a board so you can actually put your siding on top. This is one product that does 2 jobs in one, because with that being embedded into there, now you've got a solid support to put your James Hardie or your Smart siding onto. So Quik-Therm insulation is a great product as we get closer to continuous insulation. It's a thermal bridging, over your studs. We stock actually the 2-inch sheets in our stores. Shop online, do your research at makemoneydates.com. We'd be very happy to talk to you in person about Quik-Therm and how this can save you time, save you money, and get a great product insulating your home at the same time.